10 reasons people are leaving London. London still dazzles, but behind the skyline something is shifting. More and more people are quietly packing up, walking away from one of the world's most famous cities. This isn't about one problem, it's a pattern. Rising costs, changing lifestyles, and daily pressures are pushing people to rethink everything. In this video, we're counting down 10 reasons people are leaving London, ranked from 10 to 1, and the number 1 reason might surprise you. Stay with me because by the end, you might see the city very differently. 10. The commute that never ends. For many Londoners, the day starts underground, packed into a train, shoulder to shoulder, moving slowly through tunnels that seem to stretch forever. Even what's considered a short commute can often take 45 minutes or more, especially when it involves multiple changes between lines. Delays, signal issues, and crowded platforms are very common parts of daily life. You might finally get a seat, only to lose it a few stops later as more people squeeze in. It's not just about time, it's the slow drain of energy before the workday even begins. Then you do it all again in the evening, often tired, sometimes standing the whole way home. Over time, that routine can feel relentless. Many people begin to wonder what life would look like without spending hours every week just getting to and from work. And once that thought settles in, it starts to change everything. 9. Smaller spaces, higher prices. Living space in London often comes at a premium. Many renters find themselves paying high monthly costs for compact flats, sometimes with limited storage or shared areas, just to stay within budget. A one-bedroom apartment can often feel more like a studio, with kitchens that blend into living rooms and bedrooms that barely fit more than a bed. For couples or small families, this can slowly become frustrating. Working from home makes it even more noticeable. Suddenly, that tiny table in the corner becomes your office. Storage becomes creative, wardrobes overflow, and every square meter has to be carefully used. Over time, the trade-off between location and comfort begins to feel less worthwhile, especially when people realize they could get significantly more space elsewhere for the same, or even less, money. 8. The pace never slows down. London moves quickly, often faster than people expect. There's always somewhere to be, something happening, something demanding your attention. From early morning commutes to late-night activity, the city has a constant rhythm that rarely pauses. For some, that energy is exciting and motivating, but for others, it can gradually become exhausting. The feeling of always needing to keep up, whether it's work, social life, or just navigating the city, can quietly build pressure. Even weekends can feel busy rather than restful. Over time, many people begin to crave something different, a slower pace, quieter streets, a life where not every moment feels scheduled, and that desire starts pulling them away from the capital. 7. Cost of living keeps climbing. Living in London isn't just about rent, it's the full picture. Groceries, transport, eating out, and everyday essentials often cost noticeably more than in most other UK regions. Even small things add up quickly. A simple coffee, a lunch on the go, a train fare. Over time, it all builds into something significant. While salaries can be higher in certain industries, they don't always keep up with rising expenses. Many people find themselves budgeting carefully, thinking twice before spending, or struggling to save as much as they'd like. That constant financial awareness can be draining. It's not necessarily about struggling, it's about feeling stretched. And eventually people begin to ask whether their money could go further somewhere else. In many cases, the answer is yes. 6. Remote work changed the game. In recent years, remote and hybrid work have become far more common across the UK. Suddenly, being physically close to the office is no longer essential for many roles. People who once needed to be in central London 5 days a week may now only commute occasionally, or not at all. This shift has quietly changed everything. It's opened up new possibilities, allowing people to consider living in towns or cities they may never have thought about before. Coastal towns, countryside villages, smaller cities with lower costs, all now within reach without sacrificing a career. Once that flexibility exists, staying in London becomes less of a necessity and more of a lifestyle choice. And for many, that choice begins to lean in a different direction. 5. Crowds everywhere you go. London is one of the most visited cities in the world, and that popularity is felt daily. Busy streets, packed transport systems, and long queues are very frequent, especially in central areas. Even simple tasks, like walking through a station or grabbing lunch, can sometimes feel overwhelming during peak times. You might plan a quick trip across the city, only to find yourself navigating crowds at every step. Platforms fill up, pavements get busy, and even quieter neighbourhoods can feel lively. For some, this constant buzz is part of London's charm, but for others it creates a sense of pressure that builds over time. The idea of space, of not always being surrounded by people, becomes more appealing, and that's when the thought of leaving begins to feel real. 4. The housing challenge. Finding a place to live in London can often feel unpredictable. Rental properties can be snapped up quickly, sometimes with multiple applicants competing at once. In some cases, people may feel pressure to make quick decisions just to secure a place. There are also deposits, references, and affordability checks to consider, which can make the process feel complex. Buying property presents even bigger challenges. Prices remain significantly higher than in much of the UK, making it difficult for many people to take that next step. This can make long-term stability feel uncertain, and when people start thinking about the future, about settling down or investing in a home, many begin to look beyond London for something more achievable. 3. Desire for a better work-life balance. London offers incredible opportunities, but it can also come with demanding schedules. Long working hours combined with lengthy commutes can leave little time for anything else. Days can feel full before they even begin, and evenings can disappear quickly. Over time, many people begin to reassess what truly matters. More time with family, more time to relax, more time to simply enjoy life. Outside London, it's often easier to find that balance. Shorter commutes, less pressure, and a slower pace can make a big difference. For many, this isn't about leaving opportunity behind, it's about reshaping how life feels day to day. 2. Lifestyle shifts and new priorities. What people want from life changes over time. The things that once made London exciting, constant activity, endless choices, a fast-paced environment, can sometimes begin to feel overwhelming. As priorities shift, people often start looking for different things: more space, a quieter environment, a stronger sense of community, maybe a garden, maybe just a bit more breathing room. This doesn't mean London has lost its appeal, it simply means people's needs have evolved, and when those needs no longer align with what the city offers, moving elsewhere becomes a natural step. 1. Simply getting more for less elsewhere. At the heart of it all is a simple reality. Outside London, life can often offer more for less. Larger homes, lower living costs, and shorter commutes are often within reach in other parts of the UK. Cities like Manchester, Leeds, Birmingham, and many smaller towns continue to attract people looking for a different kind of lifestyle. In many cases, people find they can maintain similar careers while improving their overall quality of life. It's not about London losing its value, it's about comparison. When people see what they can gain elsewhere without giving up too much, the decision becomes clearer. And that's why, for many, leaving starts to feel like the logical next step. 10 reasons. People are leaving London isn't about a single issue. It's about how multiple factors gradually build over time. The city remains one of the most influential and exciting places in the world, full of culture, opportunity, and energy. But for many people, the balance has shifted, and that shift is quietly reshaping where people choose to live. London still holds its energy and global appeal, but people's priorities are changing. For many, leaving isn't about giving something up, it's about gaining space, balance, and a different rhythm of life. And as more people make that choice, London's story continues, shaped by both movement and change. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.